I thought today I would replace this bracelet I've been wearing for a couple of years. I started wearing it just to test my nuts out really, and it's lasted 2 years of me wearing it day in, day out, and it's been in all kinds of detergents at work and whatnot. So the elastic's finally getting a bit tired, so I thought I'd restring it, and I've got some stainless steel spacers I got from Beebeecrafts.com, and I'm going to try interspersing them with the, can you see the colour? It's red tiger's eye, so I'm going to try interspersing them with the stainless steel spacers. So we'll give that a go. Right, so the bracelet I've got is 16 centimeters. It's quite close fitting on my wrist because I don't want it getting in the way when I'm working, and I've got quite a slender wrist. Just cut it. This in there. Right, I've got these rather nice stainless steel spacers I got from Beebeecrafts. I'm going to use these little sort of donut affairs today. So, just put them in there. And I've got some strong and stretchy. It's 1mm cord. It's good stuff. It's stuff I'd used there, which is that's interesting because you can actually see that it's gone thinner over time. Interesting. Anyway, start by stringing a bead and a spacer. Bead. Spacer. Okay, so I've got my beads and my spacers most of the way around. I'm now going to put one of these little fellas on. It's just a silver plated little spacer bead, possibly crimp. I'm going to put this on, and after I make my knot, I'm going to slide that over it, and that'll just help secure it and protect it from any rubbing. I've got this little silver sort of basket weave bead that's going to go on as well, and I will tie or not. First of all, cut there, and I've got 2 pairs of locking forceps, so I lock that on one and pull this tight, and I lock that one on there. Now I'm tying my knot. Well, this knot's called a surgeon's knot, and you do a usual overhand sort of reef knot, and then you do it a second time. Then you go in this way, and you just do that once, and it locks off. I need to tie that tight. So I'll do that again just to show it again. So that's once, twice, draw it in, and then the other way once. And then pull it tight. And then you can do it the other way a second time. Fingers and thumbs today. There we go. Trim that off close to the knot. I can get my fingers in. And what I'm going to do, just to make it extra secure, is just put a spot of super glue on there. It'll draw into the knot, and when it hardens off, say that knot's lasted for 2 years, and I fully expect this one to as well. So release this one so we can get to that little bead and pull that bead over the top of the super glue. Try not to glue my fingers to it. Little spot of glue again, and that'll be fine. And there we go. Quick and easy, and it's nice and tight, and there we go. Ready for another 2 years. So while I'm here, I thought I'd I've got some opalite beads, and I thought I'd make one for my wife. So I'll set away with that, and I'll come back to you when I'm ready to tie the knot again, so I can show you the knot. Right, so here we are, ready again. I've got my little cover beads under that little focal bead. Chose some nice little don't know, can I get that in focus? Yeah, got some nice little sort of Tibetan silver spacer beads this time. I've got a nice little selection there, and they're from Beebeecrafts as well. I have to say, I do, this bracelet's for my wife, but I do sell them through Etsy, or, as this video shows, it's easy enough. Go to beebeecrafts.com and buy some beads, buy some cord, make your own. Sell them on Etsy as well. Go on. I'm sure there's room for all of us. There we go. I'll just give that a second tie. And there we go. Snip that off. And then I'll give myself a little bit of slack. Just when I put the glue on. That's a little bit closer. That's it. And that little spot of super glue. Tiny dot. And a couple of reaction pulls it into the knot. take this side off. Take that out of the way. Pull this cover bead through. That's it. Perfect. Put that spot glue in. It just draws into the knot. Take those 4 sets off. There you go. Pretty little bead. Pretty little bracelet. Doesn't take long. And pop that into one of these little bags. And give it to the wife. Right, thank you for sticking with me. I'm Vineleafstudio, Bob, and if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll show you some more things. I've got a ring in mind to make next with a nice bit of composite turquoise. So subscribe, like, have a look at the website, Etsy, Vineleafstudios on Etsy, and I'll speak to you later. Thanks for watching.